you are here to help me choose what I need for my photo shoot. I need something simple, nice, in a big frame that will go on the wall. Glam all done. Glam, glam, glam. Do you guys like my makeup? Done by a real makeup artist, guys. Guys, I'm having my face all glammed up by a real professional makeup artist. Professional. Say hello, Sharon. Hi. Today I want to try some outfit for my birthday photo shoot. So if you want to see what I'm going to be wearing as an African princess, stay here, subscribe. We're going to have lots of fun. Yes, so let's get right into the video. So this is my first option. It's a pencil skirt designed by Kartia, Velino. You will not see this outfit anywhere on Instagram. I just stood down and I brought back the 70s into this outfit. So I made it excessively too big, extra big puff, extra big sleeve cuff, which you can design into, which you can wear in 2 different ways. You can bring it down like this, or you can take it up. It's a 3/4 pencil skirt, really fitted. It's very timeless. When you wear something that is not excessively designed, you can wear it anytime as long as the world exists. So let's move on to the next outfit. Help me decide, please. The photographer, help me choose. Help me choose what I want to wear. Try on the second outfit. This is the second outfit. African mama. This is poofy. It has some slit here to show your leg. It's not that, it's simple. This is just the way I love to wear my Ankara, my African. This is just the way I love to wear my Ankara style. Not too busy. The outfit, the print alone is already too busy. You don't want to make it complicated and more busy. Even the v-neck here, you can see that it's not really a deep cut v-neck. What do you guys think? I think this is so colorful. I think it's gonna look good on the camera. What do you guys think for number 2? Number 2. We have one more to go. it up with the top. I really love the color. It's so warm and cool at the same time, and I just wear this with a simple white shirt, but it's not that simple. I love how it is tied, how you can tie this on the hair, on the armpit. It makes this look so unique, and it also has a belt, which you have an option to tie it on the side. I'm gonna tie it on the side so that it aligns with the tying at the armpit on the arm of this top. So what do you guys think about this? You can always change the top of your big skirt and have it with a t-shirt, a white shirt, any kind of top will go for this. So what do you guys think about number 1, number 2, number 3? Help me decide. African mama. Guys, I'm gonna leave you guys here. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for following. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you're not guys, if you're not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe. We are going to have fun.